Internetworking. In this video, we will discuss about how internetworking works between dissimilar networks. This internetwork is made of many different networks, including PANs, LANs, MONs, and WANs. The Internet is a prime example of this interconnection. When packets sent by a source on one network must transit one or more foreign networks before reaching the destination network, many problems can occur at the interfaces between networks. To overcome this problem of delivery through several links, the network layer or the internetwork layer was designed. IP provides a universal packet format that all routers recognize, and that can be passed through almost every network. Let us explore how interconnection with a common network layer can be used to interconnect different networks. An Internet comprised of 802.11, wireless LAN, MPLS, multi-protocol label switching, and Ethernet networks are shown here. Suppose that the source machine on the 802.11 network wants to send a packet to the destination machine on the Ethernet network. Different networks may have different forms of addressing, so the packet carries a network layer address that can identify any host across the three networks. The packet initially transmits from 802.11 network to an MPLS network. 802.11 provides a connectionless service, but MPLS provides a connection-oriented service. So, a virtual circuit must be set up to cross that network. Once the packet has traveled along the virtual circuit, it will reach the Ethernet network. Now, we will see how a packet transmitted from source to destination, adding headers along the way. The source machine takes data from the transport layer, and generates a packet with the common network layer header, that is IP. Then the data link layer adds 802.11 header to the packet. The network header contains the ultimate destination address, which does not change at any layer along the path. At the first router, the 802.11 frame header is discarded, revealing the IP header. The network layer in the router now examines the IP address in the packet, and looks up this address in its routing table. Based on this address, it decides to send the packet to the second router next. For this part of the path, an MPLS virtual circuit must be established to the second router, that's why the packet is encapsulated with MPLS headers that travel this circuit. Upon reaching the next router, the MPLS header is discarded, revealing the IP address. By this it knows the next device address. So, the network address or Ethernet address is added to the packet because it is an Ethernet. And finally it reaches the destination. So, IP address is always present in the data, and the different networks in between adds its own addresses to the IP packet. And again removes its address to look into the IP address. This is how internetwork work.